Okay, now let's look at practice now 5, question 1. Okay, square root 75 plus square root 108. Okay, so to simplify this without using calculator, right? Okay, let's look at 75. Okay, what are the factors of 75? Remember, you need to use perfect square, so 75 is 25 times 3, right? So I can use the 25 as the perfect square 25. And look at 108. Okay, 108. Okay. Okay, 108 we know that is 36 times 3. Okay. Alright, so perfect square, perfect square. So square root 75 is actually square root 25 times 3 plus square root 108 is square root 36 times 3. So this one you can split into two surds, square root 25 times square root 3 plus square root 36 times square root 3. So you will have 5 square root 3 plus, okay, 6 square root 3. Okay, 5 square root 3 plus 6 square root 3 is the same as like saying 5x plus 6x 11 equals to 11x. So 5 square root 3 plus 6 square root 3 is actually 11 square root 3. So that's your answer. Okay. And let's look at part B. Square root 80 minus square root 20. Okay, first let's look at the factors of 80 that has a perfect square. 80 is 16 times 5, so you have a perfect square 16. 20 is equals to 4 times 5, so you have a perfect square 4. Okay, so square root 80 is square root 16 times 5 minus square root 4 times 5. So it's square root 16 times square root 5 minus square root 4 times square root 5. The square root 16 you know is 4. 4 times square root 5 is 4 square root 5 minus 2 square root 5. So how do I get the 2? It's square root 4. Okay, so 4 square root 5 minus 2 square root 5 is the same as 4x minus 2x. Your answer is 2x, right? So this is 2 square root 5. Okay. Okay, now let's look at part C. Okay, now let's look at part C. Oops. Square root 24 plus square root 54 minus square root 216. Okay, now let's see. Square root. Okay, let's look at 24. 24 is equals to 4 times. Wait, it's 4 times 6, right? Okay, so you have a perfect square there. 54 is equals to. Okay, 54 is 9 times 6. Okay, and then 216. 216 is 216 equals to 36 times 6. You can see that the 6 is a common factor of all these three numbers. Okay, so what you do next is, okay, put it in. Okay, square root 24 is 4 square root 4 times 6. Square root 54 is square root 9 times 6 minus square root 216 is square root 36 times 6. Okay, so what you have is square root 4 you know is 2, so 2 square root 6. Square root 9 is 3, so 3 is square root 6. Square root 36 is 6 square root 6. Okay, so finally 2 square root 6 plus 3 square root 6 minus 6 square root 6 is the same as, it's just like saying 2x plus 3x minus 6x. So you're left with negative x, isn't it? But your answer will be negative square root 6. Negative square root 6. Okay, so that's the answer. Okay, please take a look and digest.